I'm Jason Marks, crew chief of the CRC Brakleen Race Team. We use CRC products on both our race cars and the vehicles we service and maintain in our shop. Today, Ryan and I are going to walk you through a brake job using CRC products. CRC makes a wide range of products to make a brake job faster and easier, as well as to make a system perform properly and noise-free. Though each specific job may not require every product, if there is an issue, CRC makes a product to handle it.
Hi, I'm Ryan Kuhn, one of the mechanics on the CRC Race Team. I'm going to show you the procedures today of how to do a brake change. First, we're going to start by taking off the wheel. Next, we remove the rest of the brake components: caliper, caliper bracket, and rotor. On some of these tighter bolts, we're going to use CRC Ultra Screw Loose. If after using the CRC Ultra Screw Loose, the bolt still doesn't want to come out, you can use the CRC Freeze Off. What you need to do is spray it for at least 10 seconds. What it does is it freezes and cracks the rust holding the bolt in place. Use Ultra Screw Loose penetrating fluid on the rotor contact points for easier removal. I'm going to hang the caliper with a zip tie so it isn't hanging on the brake hose, potentially damaging it. Right now, I'm cleaning the fasteners and hardware with the CRC Brakleen so they can be inspected and cleaned when we reinstall them on the vehicle. This is all the grime and dust left over from the brake parts. We use the red chlorinated Brakleen can in our shop because it is the most powerful formula and cuts through the mess with less effort and less product than anything else we have used. CRC also offers non-chlorinated versions which help reduce your waste oil cost, and these come in low VOC formulas to meet any state regulations.
The race cars we run are a lot cleaner than your average street car. They see almost 5 hours of maintenance for every hour of operation. However, the inspection is far more critical than an average street inspection. CRC Brakleen allows us to get all the brake dust and metal parts out of the system and ensure that there are no hidden issues.
This car will be getting new rotors, which usually come with protective oil. Before installing the rotors, I'm going to clean the oil off with Brakleen. And so everything is clean and functioning properly after installation, I'm going to clean the hub and rotor contact points before installation. And to keep the rotor from sticking when it comes off next time, I'm going to spray some CRC Power Lube on the contact point. Now the caliper bracket goes on. The bolts holding it on get a couple drops of CRC Nut Lock Thread Locker. On a street car, brake squeal is annoying and embarrassing, and we can take a few steps to eliminate it completely. First, I'm going to spray the rotor and brake pad friction surface with D-Squeak. Next, I'm going to apply CRC Disc Brake Quiet to the back of these pads. This is a non-shimmed pad. If I had a shim pad like this one, I would use CRC Synthetic Brake Caliper Grease. Now I'm using CRC Brake Caliper Grease on the caliper guide pins to keep this caliper sliding freely so it performs properly.
This race car also uses a stock brake caliper, although in much more demanding conditions. For any high-temperature race or performance application, lubrication of the moving parts to ensure free and proper operation is critical. We use CRC Silaramic Brake System Grease, which can handle temperatures up to 3,000 degrees.
Finally, we apply Power Lube to the wheel bolts and reinstall the wheel, and torque to spec.
That was a complete brake service. Your car and parts may require a different product, but with a wide range in their catalog, CRC will have whatever product you need. Brake performance is critical for our race team, and CRC products keep us at the front. But proper braking performance isn't just for race cars and isn't just a matter of putting new pads and rotors on the car. CRC products give you the ability to perform the brake service properly and give you a finished product that performs up to its full potential, whether your next stop is to pick up the kids at soccer practice or to pick up a trophy in the winner's circle.